This tutorial will quickly go over the basics of creating an amortization schedule using the Ultimate Financial Calculator. Before you create any schedule, you'll need to know 3 of the following 4 values: the interest rate, the loan amount, the number of payments, and the payment amount. For this example, we will solve for an unknown payment amount. Let's get started by clicking on New. Next, confirm these settings. The initial compounding is set to monthly. The schedule type is set to loan, and the calculation method is set to normal. Enter the loan's interest rate, 5.5%. Use the Ultimate Financial Calculator's grid area to enter cash flows. The first cash flow for any loan is the loan distribution, so the first row in the table will say loan. Click in the first row. You may type in or click to set the loan's origination date. For our example, we will accept the default date. Tab to the amount column, enter the loan amount, $350,000. Since there is only one loan distribution, leave a 1 in the number column. Next, click in the second row of the table. This creates a payment series. Tab to the date column. Optionally, you may set the first payment date. For this tutorial, we will accept the default date set by the calculator. Because we do not know the payment amount, we will type a U for unknown. The number of payments in the series will be 180. Enter 180 in the number column. Leave the series set to monthly for monthly payments. 180 monthly payments results in a loan with a 15-year term. We are now ready to solve for the unknown payment amount. Click the Calculate button. The result is $2,859.79. Now, click on the Schedule button. Click on Skip Title Page for now. Your amortization schedule will be displayed in a window, ready to print or export to either a Word document file or an Excel file. There is one other detail I'll point out. Since we had accepted the calculator's default dates, the time between the origination date, that is, the loan's closing date, and the first payment date is a full-length period, that is, it is 1 month. However, we could have just as easily set the dates so that the first period could have been longer or shorter than a month. When that happens, the calculator offers the user options for how to handle the odd day interest. You will find these options by clicking on Settings, and then Interest Options. Tutorial number 13 goes into detail about these settings. The Ultimate Financial Calculator has many other capabilities. If you have any questions, please get in touch.